What's going on YouTube? Liam Chase here from the Daily Chase, coming at you with another trade update. This is the week of April 20th, 420, and we're starting off a brand new week hot. We're good news, keeping up the trading spree. We're now 6 days of being profitable, and yeah, so let's just hop right into it. And by the way, real quick, before we do, if you like trading or want to learn more about trading, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm sharing my journey, all the profits, the losses, and everything else in between. I come out with daily trade updates during the weekday, just talking about my trades and my thought process, things like that. So if you'd like to just follow along on the journey and have someone on the journey with you, be sure to subscribe and like. So let's get right into it. Today was a pretty crazy day. As you can see, this is where we closed off on Friday, and this is where the market actually opened. So we had a pretty early rally, just straight up. Now, this red line here, I've had that as resistance for a while, since last actually I think that was Friday as well. Yeah, since Friday. So I literally just drew it over. Now when this opened, I saw this rally. And literally, I saw it kept testing here because I do a lot on the 15 minute. So I saw it kept testing here. I got a little bit impatient, if I'm being quite honest with myself. So I went in for a call here. I think mainly because I saw this 15-minute candle go white. So I was a little scared that maybe I'll miss a big move because this would went white. So I thought maybe we'd have a big candle like this. So I honestly got in here. Didn't work that way. Rose, and then I saw it tested again. So when this closed, I got in again for another put. And I should have known that this was going to have a false breakthrough and test this line a couple of times, because it's exactly what happened over here. And then over in the after hour trading, it got shot back down. So I definitely could have been a little bit more patient on the entry and just waited to see if it actually broke this line again like it did over here. And it did. And then it almost had a confirmation, but it wasn't really confirmation, a lot of uncertainty, and it got pushed back down. And then another doji formed, meaning a lot of uncertainty, and then it pushed back up and then pushed back down. So it was a little nerve-wracking. I wasn't really down a whole lot. I think the most I was down was like $50, maybe $70 was the worst that I was down. And I'll show you actually what I had here in just a minute. And then we caught this move, finally became profitable. And also, don't forget, this is around the time when oil was literally falling to nothing and going negative. So I believe this is right when oil started hitting below $5.10, $2, and then it started climbing up. And this is, I think, when it went negative. Now, it actually broke the weekly wedge here with that big yellow, or rather orange line. This is the weekly wedge, weekly trend line that's been going for the last couple of weeks. So it broke through that. I was going to take profit here, but I figured with everything that was going on today, like, there's probably a lot more downside. So it broke through and then just kept breaking through, tried to retest and come back through, got rejected again and shot down. Then skated back up, tried to retest, got rejected, shot back down, and then kind of tried again, got shot back down, and then ended up down here. I pretty much closed my trade out at 12.59, and today was a very good day. I'll show you my P&L. So today we made about $213, and that was on, so let me see, positions. So today, let's see. Yeah, so today I took, let me see here. So today, let's see, I bought a 285 put for expiration of 22nd. So I bought an April 22nd put at the 285 strike price. I bought that for $360, and that was at 11.17. And then, like I said, about 7 minutes later, when it rose up to the resistance line, I bought another $277 strike price put as well for about $100. And then I ended up selling the 285 for for 498. And then I sold the $100 put for 172. I don't remember if it's the average or the limit. I also took some long-term oil calls. So obviously with oil going negative, I was getting a lot of these contracts for cheap, 10 cents, or basically $10, $6, $1. Oh, I didn't get this fulfilled, but I basically, because I had about $16 remaining cash in my account, and I figured I'd just pick up some long calls on oil. So these expire in about 88 days in July. So we should see a decent return on those. But yeah, so it wasn't actually a 21% gain, because if you see, I invested, I basically distributed about $460, and if you do math, 213 on 460 is closer to about 45%. The only reason that it's showing 21% is because I actually have, I have about $513 coming from my Robinhood account. And so, by the way, guys, we started this account last Thursday is when so this was a $200 account last Thursday. So within 3 trading days, we've literally turned it into $706. Now, it's not quite that, because I actually hold some stocks that were given to me that are worth probably, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks. So this is right under $700, and what we've actually made in profit, let's see. I'm not sure how that works, but yeah, about 273% in profit, or $273 in profit over the last month, and 213 in just today. So if you like the video, be sure to like it down below, and subscribe so that I can just share with you my journey. Hopefully plan on making massive gains. I plan on getting at least $10,000 in there within the next month or two, and these profits will be even bigger. So it's exciting. I'm excited to share the journey with you. But thanks guys so much for tuning in today, and have a good one. Peace out.